Hi there, it's Angela
and Nels
with Little Red River Soap. So today we are making a soap called Sterling.
My favorite, absolutely. I love this soap, and I've used 2 loaves of it nearly, and we're down to a few bars, 5 bars. So we got to make some more. It's got the neem in it and kills all kinds of red bugs and chiggers and whatever you call that, those little pesky bugs that you can't see that like to get in warm, dark places and make life horrible. This stuff can do something about that.
That's right. And it's been used to kill lice.
Lice.
But it's great for humans. It is wonderful for us. But the bugs, not so much. And that's just one aspect. Neem oil actually has the potential and the capability to just heal, especially people with eczema or dermatitis or psoriasis. It's been used for generations in Africa, India, and now it's made its way across the pond to us, and we're so blessed to be able to have it. There's just one caveat, just one. This stuff does not smell particularly good. To me, it smells like burnt garlic. But we have essential oils. And those essential oils have the ability to kind of mask that smell. And the ones, I'm using 8 different essential oils today. I would try to tell you, 8. I would try to tell them all to you right now. I have them written down across the way. But I will put the list of all of them. It's got, I'll just give you
We'll upload it on the video.
Yeah. But
so
anyway,
again, we're throwing the kitchen sink out at it, and antimicrobial, antibacterial. Doesn't it have colloidal silver in it?
It does. That's how it got the name Sterling, because it's got colloidal silver in it.
I knew it.
But it's got bentonite clay, it's got white kaolin clay, it's got activated charcoal, it's got frankincense powder, which go read about how awesome frankincense powder is. It is stunning. And I will put something about it in the video, so keep watching.
There you go.
And we will have everything there for you.
Yikes.
So yeah, it's a pretty soap. It's kind of a black, silvery gray, and white. And overall, it's just really a nice soap. It's got so much in it that's good for you. So
believe it. It's the truth.
yeah. Anyway, okay, we'll be with you shortly, and we will make Sterling. See you in a little bit.
Ciao.
Okay, are we ready? Hi there, I'm back.
Hey.
I guess you already heard what we had to say about what's in this soap, and honestly, it's incredible. The smell that I mentioned in the earlier video does not linger on your skin after you washed, rinse off. You might smell some of the essential oils, which is not a bad thing.
It's not that bad. I gotta tell you, it's pretty good. You get used to it.
Well, it's just the benefits of it are so phenomenal that's why we make it. And so anyway, let's get started here. we will be back. Actually, it's going to be about 24 hours, but in television time, it is going to be about 30 seconds. So, come back, watch us, check out this amazing soap, and wait until you see how beautiful that white, silvery gray, and black are together. They're just lovely. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you momentarily. Bye.
Bye.
We're back. Yay! It's time to cut. Sterling, have a look. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you guys for watching, and come back and see us anytime. You can find us at littleredriversoap.etsy.com. You can find us on Facebook at Little Red River Soap or Little Red River Soap Company. You can find us on Facebook at The Soapery in a closed group that you're welcome to join. And we're also on Instagram at Little Red River Soap Co. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the internet. Bye.
Bye-bye.